Today I want to show you how to make a delicious Moroccan mint tea, so comforting. It's my mother's recipe and I am using my grandmother's teapot. Pour 1 tablespoon of green tea in the teapot and then half cup of water that just boiled, still very hot. I let the tea infuse for 30 seconds and then I throw away this water. The purpose is to remove some of the bitterness of the tea. Then I add a large bunch of fresh mint and 2 or 3 verbena leaves, fresh if possible, otherwise dried. I also add a tablespoon and a half of sugar. Note that in Morocco they add much more sugar than this, but for us this is sweet enough. I fill the teapot with water that just boiled and is still very hot, and then I add a tablespoon of orange blossom water. I let the tea infuse for 5 minutes. The tradition is to pour back in the teapot the 2 or 3 first cups of tea. This is to mix the tea and also to make sure it is well infused. We also pour the tea from up. It aerates the tea. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will make this tea at home. In our home it's a ritual and it is so comforting. See you soon!